Hey guys, welcome back to Doreese's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty to lifestyle. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be giving my top 5 keto essentials when starting the ketogenic diet. So, if you guys need a little backstory, I am a person, I am currently on the ketogenic diet, and as of today, I am finally at the 30-pound mark. So I have officially lost 30 pounds now. So I am so excited because I feel like it was taking me forever to get to that point. So yes, I am ecstatic. I am just blown away at the results that I have been having, and especially since I have not been doing, or I feel like I haven't been even putting in that much effort. So yeah, this is just astounding to me. So with that being said, first of all, let's go ahead and make sure you guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribing, and make sure you're hitting that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload videos, and make sure that you are commenting down below so I can know what you guys think of the videos and I can interact with you guys because I love hearing from you. Let me go ahead and give a couple disclaimers. These are items that, work for me, and these are not going to be a basic, like this is not going to include eggs or, I'm just giving an example. Like this is going to be stuff that you probably don't normally have in your pantry that I think will help jumpstart you on the keto diet. So now we got that part out of the way. And then also, if the keto diet does not work for you, and, this is things that have worked for me. So I'm not saying that this is what you have to have, but I think they will be helpful because obviously I have had results, or good results, from doing this. So I want to go ahead and just bring them to you guys. So, in case you're on your keto journey, you don't know where to start, these are what helped me. So first things first, first thing I want to talk about is that you are going to need a sweetener. I'll start with sweetener. And there are a lot of different types of sweeteners out there. I don't recommend doing like a Sweet and Low or a Splenda or anything like that because those have chemicals in them that aren't very healthy for you. But there are other sweeteners out there. So the sweetener that I use that I think is very comparable to sugar, it doesn't have an aftertaste or anything like that, is a monk fruit sweetener. I picked this up from my local TJ Maxx. It was $7.99. The price is right on the back. And I mean, you get a nice little, obviously it's more expensive than the sugar you would get at, just the regular cane sugar or whatever it's called that you get at the grocery store. But, I'm not obviously putting sweetener in everything, so this is going to last me quite a bit. But I think it's really good to have some kind of sweetener because on keto, yes, it is predominantly high fat, moderate protein, low carb, but you are going to have a hankering for something sweet, or you're going to need to sweeten something eventually on your journey. And you're going to want to have some kind of sweetener on hand that is good for, that tastes good to you. You don't want to, get stevia if you don't like stevia. I'm just letting you guys know that there are other sweeteners out there that if you do your research, that are recommended for people that are on keto. This is just the one that I've been using, and I thought it would be helpful for people that are afraid of starting because they think that they're not going to be able to find something comparable to to help satisfy their sweet tooth. And then the next item that I want to say that I feel is very essential on being on keto is getting you a good oil. You want to have high fat. That's the whole purpose of keto. It's predominantly high fat, moderate protein. So the protein is second, the fats are, the first thing. And with getting the high fats, you want to find, good healthy oils that will, obviously when you're cooking, that's going to provide you the fat that you need, but also, be healthy for you as well. Now, the one that I found that works for me is the avocado oil. And the reason I like avocado oil is because of the smoke point. It's 500 degrees. So what I found with like olive oil and coconut oil and stuff, well, olive oil, I'll start with that. To me, the smoke point is not that high. So basically it'll start burning really fast is what I mean when I say smoke point. Coconut oil has a taste. I know some people like to cook meat and stuff in coconut oil. I tried to do that with like pork chops. I didn't personally care for it. I mean, I went ahead and, ate them and got through it, but that's not something that I was into. So, to me, the most universal thing to cook my meat with has been avocado oil. This is a little pricey as well. I want to say this is $10, and I ordered this off of Amazon. I'll link that down below. But this has just been essential, and it tastes really good. Like, it's been making my food really flavorful. So I actually really, really like this. I was surprised at how much I liked it. I was scared it was going to have like a crazy taste or something to it, but I love this. This is like my go-to oil. There are the other oils out there like the vegetable oil and, other stuff like that. I don't recommend that. That's not as healthy for you. A lot of that stuff has, bad fats in it and things. Like, try to stick to something like natural, like an avocado oil or, your olive oils or coconut oils. Try to stay within that realm. But I do highly recommend the avocado oil if you need a good fat to cook with. All right, so then the next thing that I am going to recommend you get is some Himalayan pink salt. And this I got from TJ Maxx. This was $3.99. And I like this because, pink salt is obviously, it has minerals in it that you need that are essential for your health. And it's good with suppressing your appetite too. So you can actually just put this in water, like if you feel like you're getting hungry or something. They say this is a good appetite suppressant as well. And this is the, recommended salt for, people that are on keto. Just because, with keto, you aren't getting all of the magnesium and things, and you're not getting a lot of things that you would get from salt. Or from carbs, I should say. I'm sorry. So the Himalayan pink salt does help substitute that. And it's also good for you. So it's it's better than just having your regular table salt. So I would say if you don't have this in your pantry, and you're obviously you're going to need to put salt on something, I would recommend using this salt. So, and I don't think, and this isn't hard to get your hands on anyway. Like I said, it's $3.99. I got mine from TJ Maxx. They have it at other places too. Alrighty, and the fifth item that I recommend, and which is going to come, oh no, I'm sorry, not fifth, I'm on the fourth one. Sorry about that. The fourth item is going to be a vitamin. Make sure you guys are taking your supplements on keto because you're going to need them. You're not going to be getting the calcium, that you probably normally would get. You're not going to be getting the magnesium, and you're not going to be getting the zinc. So those things, are things that you're going to have to substitute some kind of way. I take a vitamin that's only, I take two different types of vitamins. I've just started taking these, which are the Alive. This is a multivitamin, so it has like everything in it. But then I also have just the one where it covers my magnesium, my zinc, and my calcium all in one. Yes, and I mean, not saying that you guys don't already have vitamins in your collection. I'm not, saying that, but you don't probably, think about it as much if you aren't on keto because you're not thinking that you're not getting that. You guys get the drift of where I'm going with this, but I would just say make sure you do have some type of multivitamin or vitamins on hand because you are going to need that, just to help supplement, the vitamins that you're not getting from not eating the carbs. Alrighty, so now we are on the last item. And the last item is going to be, and you guys are this is going to come at a bit of a shock, but I think this is essential, and this is not something I think everybody has, but it is heavy whipping cream. And when I tell you that this has been my saving grace on keto, it has, because for one, it's used to thicken things, but it also can be used as like a dessert. So, you can't obviously have carbs on keto. You're trying to keep them as low as possible, but sometimes you may want something a little more creamy or a little more richer. This is how you're going to get to that point. I put this in my protein shakes. I put it in smoothies. I have even put it in pudding and like whipped it up to make like an ice cream effect. There is so many uses to having heavy whipping cream. And then on keto, I just think it's perfect because I can't even imagine not having it in the fridge because I may want to make something and I'm like, dang, I need to thicken this up, or I just want, something sweet today. I've used this to make like root beer floats. Like I'll put it in orange pop to make like a creamsicle type of like an orange creamsicle type of drink, this has just been like a staple. So I mean, I think that, yeah, you are, and then of course, like I said, you are going to want something sweet. You're going to miss having certain things that are creamy and rich and stuff like that. So this right here is going to help you. And then of course, it's a great way to get your fats in. There is 5 grams of fat per tablespoon in heavy whipping cream. So this is a great way to get your fats in too. So, and it's inexpensive. Zero carbs is the Aldi's brand. Yes, it's inexpensive, and it's just a, great way to get your fats in, and also it has so many different uses. So definitely recommend this. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I know I feel like it was a little rushed. Maybe it wasn't, but I am here and happy to answer any questions that you guys may have. And also, I just want to say this. I'm going to end the video like this. I am just in such awe at the results that I got, but I also want you guys to know that, not only has this keto journey really helped discipline me and really help, me just stay focused on, my goal of my weight loss, but it really has it has just shown me that you can do anything you put your mind to, guys. And I don't want this to sound cheesy or, corny or anything like that, but going into this whole keto thing, I had no idea that I would have ever lost this amount of weight in this short period of time with barely working out at all. I would thought it was impossible to do it, but when I just put my mind to it, got focused, the weight just started falling off. And it just showed me that in any area of your life, if you really put your mind on something, you can do it. So in case you needed to hear that today, or you needed a word of encouragement, I want to end the video by saying that. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Bye, guys.